Hey Arthur, what's up man? You ready to go camping?
Yeah, I guess, but I've been outside since Paranormal Activity 7.
So we need to go get some supplies for camping.
Alright, so I got a flashlight, a life jacket, some walkie-talkies, mace, a flare gun, and a hatchet.
Flashlight, walkie-talkies, and a hatchet? We don't need any of that stuff. All we need for camping on an Indian burial ground, some pancakes, and rolled duct tape.
You boys look like you're going camping.
Oh yeah, we are.
You're not going camping at Camp Splatter, where the old Indian burial grounds are you?
Why yes we are, crazy old man.
You realize there's an ancient Indian burial ground there, don't you?
Yeah, we're not worried about that.
But that's where all the people have been getting killed lately.
That's just a rumor.
Be warned, kids going to Camp Splatter, they ain't coming back.
Whatever, crazy old man. We're going camping.
Sir, you're scaring our customers, not to ask you to leave.
Beware, those who disrespect their elders rarely come back in one piece.
Yeah, so this is Camp Splatter.
Camp Splatter?
Yeah, the rest of the camp should be here by now. Yeah, so this is the camp. Oh, there are the campers. So this is Bradley Flex, Jessica Twerk, Eugene Crackerbottom, and this year's Wacky T.
So what's the T stand for?
Tobacco.
Well, nice to meet you, Mr. Tabacki.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's my dad's name.
Okay guys, let's set up the tent before it gets dark.
Dark? You never said anything about it getting dark.
Alright. I'm gonna get some firewood if anyone wants to come.
Dude, let's go. Dude, step aside. Say hello to Prince and the bicep formerly known as Prince. You guys heard all the rumors about murders out here? There's a mystic being that goes around killing corporate fascists known as innocent campers. Dude, if I see one mystic being, I'm gonna give a sucker punch right to the jugular.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go get the tent.
I feel like you couldn't punch a ghost in the neck.
Well, that just goes to show how much you know about mystical combat, dweeb.
Hey, where's Wacky T?
Oh, hey dudes, I'm over here.
Wacky, what is that?
Oh dude, it's a bong I made from a log. I call it a long.
Mocha? You have the tent? This is spooky.
What is it, nerd?
Mocha's been murdered!
Mocha? Oh my god. Of all the people, he was the one I least expected to be dead. Come on, we gotta go tell everybody. Guys! Mocha's dead!
Oh my god! He was murdered!
What did I tell you guys?
Yes, multiple fractures of the base of the head, blunt object hit at about 57 degrees, wind out of the western quadrant of the sky at about 21 miles per hour, and humidity is about 13%.
Guys, I have an idea. If I have access to a computer, I can get help over the internet.
Yeah, but we don't have a computer, so...
If only I could build one. Wait a minute. Okay guys, let's hack the internet. First, I need that water bottle. That tape measure. A yo-yo. A flashlight. And that Rubik's Cube. A cell phone. And finally, that copy of Superman Returns. Yeah. Eureka! I hacked onto the internet!
This literally makes 0 sense.
Signal's too weak. Have to get higher.
I got you.
I'll climb the hill with this antenna to boost the reception. Did you get a signal?
Hold on, let me just check my fantasy team real quick.
Come on, man. I just want to go home.
Send for help.
1 sec, bro, just chill out. Wait, where'd the signal go? Eugene! What the hell's the holdup?
Oh my god! He was murdered! With that belt!
Whoa, I did not see that coming.
Guys, don't you see? We're in a horror movie.
Oh, sorry guys. Had an asthma attack there. Bet this looks really weird, considering somebody just died recently and all.
Guys, I did not go through 10 years of medical school to not know what to do after someone dies. It's very crucial. We all get a good night's sleep.
What's that? Where's Wacky?
Where's Mocha?
I had a crazy dream last night that he died.
I did too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Guys, I've got bad news. Guys, did you hear that?
Must be the murderer.
Okay.
Jessica, be careful. That's usually the part where the scared white girl trips and dies.
Hey, that is sexist.
I think we lost him.
I think we should split up.
What? That's a terrible idea. Have you ever seen a horror movie?
Later, nerd.
Are you gonna murder me? Alright, give me 1 sec.
Whoa, bro. Don't step any closer or I will literally Superman punch you to the larynx. Seriously, dude. You do not want a piece of the Bradnator.
You son of a bitch. You disgraced me and this entire nation, you two-faced sack of shit. You provide validity to all the terrible horror movies that are poisoning today's cinema, you douche canoe. The only way that this could get any worse is if you were the person I least expected. Wait, what? Eugene? Is that you?
Yeah, bitch. It's me, Eugene Crackerbottom. For years I've been known for the thick glasses and the nerdy attire, but now I've been known for murdering the 5 stupidest teenagers on the goddamn planet. Anyways, enough with the monologuing. I'm gonna murder you.
Not today, man.
You know, Arthur, there's a certain way I like to relax.